perform a skit called The Evolution of Technology. Part 1, the start. Advancement of technology began a long time ago. When man first laid foot on this earth, man had no means of making life easier. According to history, back then, something was too heavy or too big to carry. It must be left behind. But then, our caveman looked into the mountains and saw a rock tumbling down the slope. As it came to a stop, he realized the wonders he could do with the same principle, and so began the birth of science and technology. Part 2. Industrialization. By the 18th century, man had come a long way from its early beginnings, from the discovery of the wheel to the invention of the steam engine. Now this is the golden age of technology, but was used as a means of life betterment. At this time, England was at an advantageous position to start and sustain an industrial revolution.
Yes, sir. What is this? This is what we call a steam engine. Steam engine. Yeah, I've never seen a model like this before. Yeah, sir. This is good. Yeah, but it's just that it's much faster. Yeah. And you make it. I would like to take it as first one day.
The most prominent invention was the steam engine, invented in the 18th century by James Watt, who was a Scottish inventor who brought about a fundamental change with his Watt steam engine to both his native land and to the rest of the world. Watt's design saved so much fuel compared to earlier designs.
Part 3. Disaster. During the First and Second World Wars, technology was being used as a means of mass murder. No matter which side you were on, you were killing many. We saw the development of the nuclear and atomic bombs that killed thousands in Hiroshima and Nagasaki, and those cities today still paying the price. Today, the threat of nuclear annihilation is much closer. We should be more careful if we want the betterment of the next generation.
What are you doing here? You're the narrator, man. Go.
I'm sorry, I want to have fun.
Yeah, that's right.
What are they making? Nuclear bomb! God, a nuclear bomb. Yikes. I'll not dwell on that right now. But there are some positive points too, I guess. We got invention of the battery by Count Alexander Volta. Humphrey Davy invented the arc lamp, the first electric light. Atoms were discovered by John Dalton and many other inventions and discoveries. Part 4. The 20th century saw dramatic growth of technology. Organized research and practice of science led to the advancements in the fields of communications, electronics, engineering, travel, medicine, and war. Yuri Gagarin was the first man in space, followed by Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin. Many inventions were made, such as the first mechanical aircraft, the television, the radio, personal computers, refrigerators, and the internet and mobile phones that we all dearly love.
Technology will keep evolving. The direction it takes is up to you. So grab tight and let it bloom. Thank you.
Surely technology is either a boon or a bane. It's up to us to be wise on how to use it. Thank you once again to the students of St. Edmund School. Surely it was a very short time for you guys to prepare this, but we're really proud of you that you came up with such an interesting and it was fun also. We have a special guest who are not students. They will also be presenting to us a skit. So I will now like to call Kees Chera and his friends. So just a short introduction. This guy, Kees, you can search his name in YouTube. I guess you'll be seeing his videos also. He's a very good actor. So we hope that we can see, interesting and funny and motivating skills from you now. Thank you.